Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. My laundry room has become a catch-all since moving into this apartment, so it is time to get it cleaned and organized. It does provide a lot of great storage space for miscellaneous items, so I wanted to make sure that it remained extremely functional. Whether you'll be sitting back and relaxing or whether you'll be cleaning with me, let's get into it. I'm going to start out by taking everything out of the laundry room. Now that it is completely empty, I am going to wipe down surfaces, sweep, then mop. No lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Here is everything that I pulled out of the laundry room. And here are the items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. This is a wire over the door organizer, and then I also got these bins. And now for the fun part, I am going to refold my cleaning cloths and kitchen towels and reorganize all of my oven mitts. Just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. Next, I I'll be organizing all of the random household items by category.
Than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out.
Time to put everything back.
Just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are.
I had pretty much empty containers of laundry detergent, so I transferred what was left into these glass bottles and stored them in this container.
Just the way you are. Just the way you can.
A 9-year-old was actually holding the camera while I put the rack over the door. This was actually going to be used to store my broom, Swiffer, and mini vacuum cleaner. First, I thought the mini vacuum wasn't going to fit, but then I turned it upside down and it fit perfectly. Finally, I will be wiping down my trash can. A quick reminder of what it looked like before. Ugh. And here is the after, functional, organized, and cost me $6 to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Get